Wait, you're saying he'll never walk again? He'll never be able to use his hands again?
I'm very sorry. But we are optimistic Sam will wake up once the swelling his brain goes down.
And, he'll be able to talk to me?
We're hopeful he'll be able to communicate. Scans show no major brain injury.
What about feeding and dressing himself and... How long?
The rest of his life.
Damn it, I was supposed to go to Italy next month.
What the fuck?
I'm sorry, I'll be right back.
Oh man, that's really on my shoulders. Yeah. Listen, sharp, Dr. Hospital. Just wait on the Patrick test results. Just keep me posted. Over. Hey.
It's hard to last with you back. Yeah.
So, the good news is, Layla is a donor match.
I am? Oh, thank God.
But Patrick, unfortunately, is not. Okay. Okay, well, still we're halfway there, right? What's next? What do we need to do?
Does Macy's second donor have to be blood related?
Not necessarily, and we'll definitely go over the next steps for Amazing to the transplant list, but before we...
Patrick, there are a few documents you still need to sign if you wouldn't mind following me.
Okay. Can't that wait? Well, technically they should have already been taken care of.
Oh. What's up? Whatever you need to share with me, my husband can hear too.
Testing revealed that Patrick is not Macy's biological father.
What?
Our father?
Obviously there's been some kind of mistake because that's just wrong. Patrick is her father.
How would that even be possible?
Usually there would be no reason to even bring this up. It's just that Maisie's best chance at a match is a blood relative.
And if we can get in contact with the father...
Oh my God!